2130 Markets Update. Crypto markets tests key support levels. Bearish momentum appears to be accelerating across the cryptocurrency markets following the failure of BTC to hold above the long-term ascending trendline dating back to July 2017. As of this writing, the BTC markets appear to be falling to test support at the $6,000 area after forming a large descending triangle. The leading alternative cryptocurrency markets are following suit, with all of the top 10 cryptocurrency markets having lost approximately 10% against USD in the last 24 hours. It has been a rough week for the BTC market so far, with the price of Bitcoin having lost roughly 15% in the last 4 days. The accelerating selling pressure can be attributed to Bitcoin's failure to break above the long-term symmetrical triangle comprised of an ascending trendline running from July 2017, and a descending trendline connecting the all-time of $20,000 to the local high of $10,000. As of this writing, the immediate price action shows BTC trading for approximately $6,300 after producing a small bounce following a sharp drop down to $6,100. The Bitcoin markets are yet to retest the prior local support area of roughly $6,600. In breaking below the symmetrical triangle, BTC has formed a descending triangle, with current price action testing the $6,000 resistance area for the third time this year. Many trades are inferring from current price action that the short to medium-term outlook may have a bearish bias, as BTC has broken below a key long-term ascending trendline, and have broken below the local low produced during April. Bitcoin Cash tests major trendline. The BCH markets are currently trading for approximately $815 after making a third point of contact with a descending trendline from the all-time price high and breaking below the $1.00 area for the third time in 2018 on Monday. The price of BCH has lost 23.5% in the last 4 recent days, with current price action approaching the support line of a large symmetrical triangle spanning the entirety of the market's history. Immediate price action appears to be readying for a modest bounce off the key price area of approximately $775, which shows confluence with the breakout area from November 2017, in addition to comprising February's low. A bounce off this area would also comprise a fourth point of contact with the long-term ascending trendline dating back to the first week of BCH trading. Whilst the Bitcoin Cash markets are not bucking the bearish trend, should the current support area hold, BCH could produce a higher low, which, after May's bounce, posted a higher top than was produced in February, would comprise a confluence of notable bullish signals. However, even if BCH is able to bounce off the approximately $750 area, it remains to be seen as to whether the market will be able to break above the large symmetrical triangle which appears to be guiding recent price action. BCH has also been highly correlated with BTC in recent months, suggesting that if BTC continues to bleed, it is highly likely that BCH will follow suit. A break below the year-long ascending trendline would likely signal further bearish action. Ethereum forms symmetrical triangle. Ethereum has lost approximately 20% in the last 4 days, with the price of ETH falling from approximately $600 to roughly $465 as of this writing. ETH is testing the support line of large symmetrical triangle formation stemming from the market's all-time price high of roughly $1.400. With current price action making a fifth point of contact with the ascending trendline dated from late May 2017. As with many other markets, even if Ethereum is able to bounce off the long-term ascending trendline, it is unlikely that the ETH markets will produce significant recovery unless Ethereum is able to break above large symmetrical triangle in which price action is currently trending. EOS drops by 55% in 6 weeks after rallying to produce a record high of approximately $23 at the start of May. The EOS markets have since produced heavy losses of over 55% in 6 weeks, including a drop of nearly 30% in last 4 days. As of this writing, the price of EOS is testing support at roughly $10. Throughout June, EOS has maintained its position as the fourth most traded cryptocurrency by 24-hour volume, Do you think that the markets are set to produce further bearish action in the short term? Join the discussion in the comments section below. Images courtesy of Shutterstock. TradingView at Bitcoin.com. There's a bunch of free helpful services. For instance, have you seen our tools page? You can even look up the exchange rate for a transaction in the past, or calculate the value of your current holdings, or create a paper wallet, and much more.